Hi, today I'd like to show you this song from 1951 called Rocket 88. It was originally credited to Jackie Brenston and his Delta Cats, but his Delta Cats were actually Ike Turner and his Kings of Rhythm. And it wasn't so much the vocals of this song. Jackie Brenston was a singer. It was the groove of the song. It was considered the first rock and roll song, depending on who you talk to, of course. Anyway, it's a really cool feel. I'd like to show it to you today. We're tuned to G, D, G. It's in the key of D, so we're going to play the first lick one octave higher than it is on the record. But it plays the same lick all the way through the entire song. It's a 12 bar. I'll just play it for you. Alright, that's all there is to it, and I'll take you through it. It starts off with 2 hits on the middle string, and then 3, 4, and I'm doing everything down up. And then we go to fret 2 on the first string, and then 4, 2. So it works out with the picking just right on. And it's a swing feel, so you want the... And I played it quite fast because the record was quite fast. But you can play it a lot slower. So we do that lick 4 times. Now we're going to go to the 4 chord, G. And we can just go over to our lowest string. So that's twice on G, low G. Then fret 3, fret 4. And that's down up actually. And then open on the middle string D, and then E or 2, and then open with an upstroke. Then back to our 1 chord D. You might be saying to yourself about this time, boy, have I ever heard this lick a lot. Well, this is where it started. This is where it came from, apparently. Now we go to the 5 chord, which is A, 2nd fret, twice, and then we go up here to 5 and 6, still alternate picking, and then to 2 on the D string, which is E, and then 4, 2, which is F sharp, E. You might have to practice that one a bit because you got to kind of move your hand up and then back. But you only play it once, then you go to the 4 chord, which we already learned, and then we play the 1 chord twice. And that's it. This song doesn't have a turnaround. If you're jamming with friends, of course, you can always throw a turnaround in if you need to. It'd be something like it would be the A chord. But on the record, it just plays that lick straight through all the time. And it's pretty quick. Anyway, I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.